demands NEIDP. Small eating outlets at Khairamban Bazaar fear end of business. And voting not free and fair, says Oibobi. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur. This is SILKY Chanambam with the news in detail. The center should elucidate whether the Indo-Naga ceasefire agreement has been extended to Manipur, demanded former MLA R.K. Anand, who contested the 17th Lok Sabha election on NEIDP ticket. Addressing media at the office of Northeast India Development Party, NEIDP Manipur Unit, Tera Bajar, Imphal, R.K. Anand noted that the recent busting of NSC and IM camps in Ukhrul district by security forces has caused anxiety among the people, though it has been said that the ceasefire between Government of India and NSC and IM does not cover Manipur. He said that the center needs to spell out the issue so as to ease the public apprehension and avoid another June 18 uprising in Manipur. He referred to the people's mandate and said the electorate has shown trust in NEIDP in the Lok Sabha election. R.K. Anand also thanked the winners of the election.
The ceasefire extension see clarification will the habasimas of NEIDP comes again. Aduga Tobum talked about the Kudata, the camps may have noted over designated over. Ma'am, since you Lloyd Murphy, the Tiger of Knives, NEIDP, my see what comes to Kalaga in the interest of Manipur, in the interest of the ceasefire, in the interest of the Indo-Naga, Kerosiki, labor, Haikare, labor, agreements with justice the way in Manipur, justice the way in June 18, Tokibadu, Alatana Vedamata, see what comes clarification to Mother Tai have offered to the party, NEIDP, my TV, she offers to the again.
In Imphal Khairamban market, we can find anything we want with the prices ranging from rupee 1 to lakhs of rupees and rupees 20 to 50 is enough to fill the stomach for a day. Tom TV brings you an exclusive report on these. Here's the report.
Relieving someone's hunger or thirst is a great service. Such service is available at small eating outlets in Khairamban market. The market run only by women. There are more than 40 such eating outlets. The menu ranges from ironba, chamthong, uti ashangba, kangho, nga thongba, etc. These are available from 9 a.m. and rupees 20 to 50 is enough to fill one's hunger at the busy marketplace.
Noong maamadi foreigner maya mamala aga moy tara mari mga kun gumbani sangai festival amada makoi di saksaning dabani sa thangning bani adubu makoi phambam leitabadagi koisa chatpadu ubada numidang wairam oibadagi imagi pofam si saubuna maram oidana imana nakoi gi de phambam leitaboiragadi makoi bu putoiba maitei machaduda imagi sida phamallu sa di hotel amani dagi lauraga apam badu sahansi haibagi damakta makoi bu lit tawduna laiba foreigner nupaduna imagi awaman oina lupa samnga masu pibirami aduga imabu matam sangna nungaina leiu haiduna maitei machadu de english na hairaga imada haibirami.
Such eating outlets facilitates many laborers as well as women folk who come here far from home to earn a living. One such outlet feeds more than 60 people a day. Not only the locals, even the tourists eat here.
Sa anini moy anido yam piingai moina class 2 gumba tamba doidagi mana kaithen thoglakpani adubu hujikti nupi masado nupi masana hanni mahag Bangalore gi Gautam College da nursing tambai mahag nursing tamba loiraga sahi mari gi experience certificate pairabo matungda thajaduna hujikti issue ani phange isa nupadi master loire aduga hujik thabak phangdri angang tuition lauri.
Many women who run such outlets not only run their families but also send their children for higher studies. In running business at the marketplace, many have encountered countless happy and emotional incidents.
Mana setliba dress ta masu taraktraba chaba thakpa phangdaba manba mayam amasu lai adubu thajadana matau mandana paisa yamna piramba imai ben chu adum yawi thajarudana mahak adu me manadrabra wakhan choirabra haina khalluraga mana sajagra sanu aduga koi paisa lauraroi haina khalluraga matik chana adum kaya tarage haina pibiramba su yawi aduga akhoina thamiba phironche tuminna lauraga chatkiba wakhan manadaba mi su adum yawi adu akhoina khallubada maitai leibak sida sotharaba mima nadraba mi mayam amasu kasin kuyada leiri makhoi sibu kanagumana mateng pangbigadra haina khalli adubu magi chapchaba lamdi khangdaba nupa macha mahak pakhangni hai sahi 35 ki lengani mahak aduna sahi khudingi March April bhawgi manungda February dagina laaga mima nadraba wakhan soinai raba singse aigi hotel da puraga sak pijai cholap ta puraga irulu jabi mafi maron anaubo hongtok pirami adugumaina mahak kumba nupa macha sulai.
With modernization, when prices have skyrocketed and there are numerous ways to earn living, such outlets are in fear of running out of business. It is said that maintaining more quality control food and hygienic surrounding of these outlets will increase the visit by people to these places.
From time immemorial, these stalls has been serving the people of Manipur. But the fate of these stalls is a serious question to all of us. With video journalist Onal Sambanduram, this is Asapriya reporting for Times of Manipur, Khairamban Bazaar.
Congress Legislature Party CLP leader and former Chief Minister O Ibobi today claimed that Manipur did not witness a free and fair Lok Sabha election. He was participating in a function at Congress Bhavan, Imphal. Commenting on the election debacle, Ibobi said the party welcomes the mandate given by the people of Manipur, but added that the election was not held in a free and fair manner, or else it would have been something that is very good. Without naming any political parties, Ibobi said the people know what had happened in the hills in the Lok Sabha election. Several political parties have alleged that there was massive electoral malpractice during the election.
तसेंगना भोटर लेरिबा भोटर सिंगदो मदुना भोट थादब तारब हौजिकसु हेत थाद अमु हन केंद्र अमद अखोइना थमजरिबा एग्जांपल जे हेत येंगनबा याय तसेंगना केंद्र अमद येंगनबा कन्नादा 80% 90% थादब सिदि असेंगबा भोटरना थादब नते हाइबसिदि हौगिबदु नतब हुजिकसि केंद्र अमद हेत येंगना सेबा Example the 80% 90% थादगरिबा केंद्र से 85 89 थादरिजे हुजिक अमुहेन मयाम प्रेस नु मयाम चंग येंगना सेबा सोंगाम nga moi थादब मतम फंगोय अदुगा तसेंगना 90% voter लेरोय.
In a tragic incident, a laborer was electrocuted while cleaning a drain at Konung Mamang, Imphal this morning. The deceased has been identified as Abdul Hakim, son of Abdullah from Uchiwa Sante. It is said that Abdul used to earn his living doing odd jobs. Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association Imphal today alleged that despite the Ministry of Home Affairs order dated 11 April 2018 asking the Manipur government to implement the duty allowance of home guards, the state government has turned a deaf ear and that nothing has been done in this regard till date. The state government has totally ignored the Supreme Court ruling by not implementing the duty allowance till today, Association President Y. Mangi told a press meet at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. He threatened that if the state government is unwilling to comply with the order of Ministry of Home Affairs, the association is all prepared to approach higher court. Mangi also urged the state government to fulfill the association's long-pending demand at the earliest.
11 for the Tarkba Baro Sarkagi City, Edugi Matungina, Home Guard Pasnan Singi, Toloki Matang the Kadi, Kanabira Bage, Kadi Kanabiba later Bage, Madu Equate Epau, PBU, Hybrid ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯟꯗ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯟꯗ ꯊꯥꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯟꯗ ꯊꯥꯔꯤꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ SBIO ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯄꯤꯂꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯨꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯔꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯁꯤꯡꯅꯔꯒ ꯔꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯇ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝ ꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯦ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯕꯤꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯟꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯅꯤꯌꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯂꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ SBIOꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
Now let's take a short break.
Admissions open for sports and academic combo courses. Private Sports Academy Guwahati amasung Damayanti English School Monyari Tinialiga yanakibagi matung inna Manipur amadi North East ta leiriba class 10 pass tauraba 11 tamningba 12 pass tauraba graduation tamningba amadi class 3 dagi 7 fauba makha tamningba mahiroi singi selection test pangthoklagani. Football, athletics, taekwondo, karate, zitkundo gi mahiroi taragani thoi laujagadauri. Lakliba Zungi Tang Ani Ayoki Pung Tare Taba Matamda DK College Playground Mirza Guwahati da Pangthokadaba Final Selection Test Asida Mahiroi Singna Yaubiba Yaragani. Akupa Marol Gidama contact Tobirau 700-523-5638 Natraga 8011-560-148.
Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group. Chingmang Poising Nambol Bishnupur District, Manipur 795134. We aim to provide minerals added and purified drinking water to every household of the state Manipur, ensuring good and healthy life for all. Silent features, RO treated purified water, added minerals, state-of-art infrastructure water plant, processed and packaged under hygienic condition, sterilized water bottles, natural and clear stream water source. Features and benefits: free home delivery, a filled jar free subscription on registration, 1 month free subscription on registration, rupees 500 registration fee, 30 bottles per month, that is 600 liters, rupees 250 subscription fee per month, 2 months free on subscription of a year.
Subscription type: monthly rupees 250, half yearly rupees 1500, quarterly rupees 750, yearly rupees 3000. Offer valid till 30th May 2019.
For more details, please contact us at 8257-888-737 or email us at lamjingbakanglawwater@gmail.com.
Admissions open for Modi University, Laxmangarh, Rajasthan. School of Architecture and Town Planning, School of Design, School of Engineering and Technology, School of Sciences, School of Liberal Arts, School of Management Studies, School of Legal Studies. 53% scholarship for Nordis students. For details, please contact Career Info Solution, New Chekon Road, near Bazaar, India, 841-3976-991. For more details, please visit our website www.modiuniversity.ac.in. Modi University, a leading women's university.
India की top universities सिंगी मरक्ता अमा ओइरिबा Assam Downtown University, Guwahati the Engineering, Management, Nursing, Pharmacy, Hotel Management, Paramedical the Ming Chanbining Basingna, Sitful Oidringai the Nasimak Lakpiduna Ming Chanbiyu. Admission Office, Assam Downtown University, Babapara, Bosemlerek, Imphal.
Welcome back. Korirol Sandoklup Wangjing, a writer's body, has named this year's winners of Korirol Awards. A release said that the awards will be distributed on the organization's 42nd Foundation Day to be celebrated on 8th of June. Eklavya Model Residential School at Chikim Village within border town Moray of Tengnoupal district has successfully produced the largest number of successful students at the board and council examinations 2019 as compared to other schools in the district. The school, which is run under the Tribal Affairs and Hills, was inaugurated on February 2014 and classes were started from 2015. Class 12 started from 2018 in the school and all 19 students who gave the council examination this year go through, and a few of them got letter marks in some subjects. Most students of the school also passed the metric exam. The felicitation program for the past students was held at the school campus today. Member of Autonomous District Council Chandal, Cecilia Geneva Hakib, ZEO Technopal, and Arun Kumar and several others attended the function. The National Health Mission Manipur, with an aim to achieve zero mortality in the age group of 0 to 5 years, will launch an intensified diarrhea control fortnight 2019 from May 28 to 8 June 2019. The program will cover all the districts of the state where ORS powder sachet and zinc tablets will be distributed, besides imparting knowledge on how to prepare homemade ORS. Talking to the media persons in his chamber, Director of National Health Mission Manipur, Dr. S. Manikanta said, the main objective of conducting the program is to help control the mortality rate against preventable diseases like diarrhea, which accounts for 10% that in children in the age group of 0 to 5 years. He further said, the education, PHED and social welfare departments need to play a proactive role, since they can educate primary health center, community health center, ASA and Anganwadi workers at their respective centers. The director urged the parents to take proper care of their children suffering from diarrhea by giving sufficient fluids like ORS and zinc, as dehydration may cause extreme weakness and life-threatening condition.
In case kanagumba angang amana hairiba singsi maraksida breastfeeding do yargadi masi breastfeeding si koi kanna encourage wi pitappi haidna ana sumba hoina amna mo moda intensify wi ba mo si ko ba donor ba hoi hone jabani not only to the curative aspect but also preventive aspect as well. The preventive aspect so koi chandor tan ban jabani hoina pa mi badi laiba ngang khuni maksi masamo phana leidna adegi na di ektan henbagi pandam du phangam ni ro koi pa mi koi na ngasi gi doriba fortnight sigi akoi ngasi press conference ri angang amata koi dairana na aduna sioi da bani haibasi.
Ahead of the intensified diarrhea control fortnight to be started from tomorrow, the Zonal Education Office, Jiribam, organized a one-day orientation program at the conference hall of ZEO, Jiribam today. Several intellectuals, including school heads of Jiribam, attended the program where they spoke on how to prevent and control diarrhea. In continuation of the free medical camp jointly organized by all Jiribam United Clubs Association, Ajuka and KRSNA Diagnostic, 50-bedded hospital Ningsingkhun, Jiribam, a free medical and diagnostic camping was held at Jiribam Model High School Mission Compound, Babupara today. Vice President of Ajuka, M. Premchandra Singh, said the main objective of the free medical campaign, which started on March 6, was to spread awareness about the 53 different medical tests available at all Jiribam hospitals and also how to prevent spread of the diseases in the district.
In the Jiribam hospital, 53 tests free of cost. Prajamyamda Pangli Habagi, Dungsava Malay Habagi, Dumlava message to Ba, Dumlava free campaign. Winana, Jiribam the lady ba, Puggy, Tongan, but 12 from the school Sinda, Lady Bapuggy, Mayam Singasi, Natina, Yaubra Habagi, Dumlava, Mangluna, Fiesta Bugi, the program the Pachata Javani, of the Hariba, Jiribangi, Psychology, Loibuga, Pilamang the Sutamjakiba, Barak Circle the Muksang Bugi, Padam.
The teaching staff and students of Knowledge Builder English School, Khopum Tampak, have jointly planted 3 saplings in and around the school campus this morning. The program was organized under the sponsorship of Poirai Leimarol Mairapaibi Apunbalup of Manipur in connection with the 21st Mairapaibi anniversary to be held tomorrow. The Democratic Bharatiya Samaj Party Manipur State Committee has appointed Asem Leibak Ngamba of 13 Singjamai Assembly Constituency, Imphal West District as President of Student Wing of Democratic Bharatiya Samaj Party Manipur State Committee with immediate effect. This was informed through a press release. Names of 7 men and 8 women boxers from Manipur have been announced for the 3rd Youth Men and Women National Boxing Championship to be held from 8 to 13 June at Rudrapur, Uttarakhand. For the men's category, Mohammad Najamuddin, H. Bimjit Singh, S. Victor Singh, L. Nikas Singh, L. Kajengan Bamaite, O. Bangal Thoi, K. Sanatoy Singh have been selected. T.H. Eliza Devi and Baby Roji Sana Chanu, R.S. Thotiola, H. Asalata Chanu, T.H. Elina Devi, and Meneka Devi Sanamacha Chanu have been selected for the women's category. L. Chitaranjan Singh, L. Radhya Devi, and L. Thangren Kupkom have been selected as officials. Once again, let's have a short break.
Kindergarten Montessori School affiliated to CBSE New Delhi, Sagol Bantakil Kolom Laikai, Imphal West. Admission in progress. Class 11 Science and Arts 2019-20. Admission criteria 80% and above. Direct admission, free tuition fee, free textbooks and free uniform one time only. 70% to 79%. Direct admission, free textbooks. 60% to 69%. Direct admission and free textbooks. 40% to 59%. Admission through entrance tests. For more details, please contact Kindergarten Montessori School, Sagol Bantakil, Kolom Laikai, Imphal West.
Water-Rid products, canned and bamboo products, decorative items crafted on wood, Nungbi, traditional dolls, products made of water hyacinth, Salai Sol, handicraft items from various places of Northeast India, all available under one roof. Instead of depending on plastic products, please use natural products. For more information, please visit Akom Handicrafts, a unit of Iraima Women's Welfare Association, Kongba Nandaibam Laikai, Kongba Road, Imphal East, Manipur 795008. Contact 9863-243964 or 9402-987076.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing ama chawpan marifom do de hona chai kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ine lereklaba Nauka gi Imphal Center ma hangjere TV ama de phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabangam da gi awaba mayok na di bana al koding mag wabi rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic nga si maklenshin directuna completely invisible water resistant ama de rechargeable oraba digital hearing aid hapiu tabangam gi pangalwana badom gi khangna chana ba single power si tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phawai Sangbam Laikai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6000954159.
Welcome back. Despite being illegally barred to contest elections, 51-year-old Prem Singh Tamang, also joined as PS Gole, took oath as the 6th Chief Minister of Sikkim today. Gole, President of Sikkim Krantikari Morcha SKM, did not contest the state assembly election and was still unanimously elected as the legislature party leader on Saturday. Keeping aside the legal complications, Sikkim Governor Ganga Prasad administered the oath of office to Gole and the 11-member Council of Ministers at Paljur Stadium in Gangtok. Hundreds of SKM supporters had gathered at the stadium in a show of strength and also to cheer the new Chief Minister of Sikkim. However, former Chief Minister Pawan Kumar Chamling and senior SDF did not attend the swearing-in ceremony. At least 4 persons have been killed and another 7 injured in a serial explosion that rocked Nepal capital Kathmandu early this morning. According to preliminary investigation, the explosions at 3 different places may have been triggered by a Maoist splinter group. However, no one has claimed responsibility for the explosions. While 3 persons were killed on the spot, the 4th one died while undergoing treatment at a hospital. Nepal emerged from a decade-long Maoist civil war in 2006 and the main group of the former rebels has joined the party that runs the government. The breakaway group of former rebels carried out a similar blast in Kathmandu in February, in which 1 person was killed and 2 others were injured. In Kabul too, at least 10 people suffered injuries after a bus carrying the staff of the Afghan Haji and Religious Affairs Ministry was hit by a magnetic bomb explosion this morning. The attack comes just a few days after at least 2 people, including an imam, were killed and 17 others were injured in a bomb blast at a mosque in Kabul during prayers. However, no militant group has claimed responsibility for the attack so far. President Donald Trump said today that he is not personally bothered by recent short-range missile tests that North Korea conducted this month, breaking with Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe, who is hosting the president on 4th-day state visit full of pagantry. Abe, who stood beside Trump at a news conference after hours of talks, disagreed with the US president, saying the missile test violated US Security Council resolutions and were of great regret. Abe, who has been coaching up to Trump on a number of issues, is concerned because the missiles pose a threat to security in Japan. Authorities in Western Congo said at least 30 people are dead and another 200 are missing after a boat sank on Lake Mai-Dombi, who are mostly teachers. It was not immediately known how many people were aboard the boat when it hit bad weather last Saturday, but officials estimate several hundreds were on board. More than 80 people survived. Now, let's have a look at some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Drama over installation of CCTV cameras at high security zones. Probe panel fails to submit report. PIL filed. State government likely to undergo certain changes soon. Steps on to formulate state drug policy. Meghalaya CSOs resolves to oppose CAB. The People's Chronicle. State Congress in crisis after defeat in polls. Rahul Gandhi aborts plan to tender resignation. Modi takes oath May 30, new allies in race for ministries. Myanmar bridge road work halt likely to delay AEP takeoff. Poster for campaign against more violence released. The Morning Bell. Narendra Modi to take oath as Prime Minister for second term on May 30. Coming 5 years important like the period 1942 to 1947, says Prime Minister Modi. MPDF launches poster campaign against more violence. Manipur State Kala Academy on burst of extinction. Northeast experiencing rainfall due to cyclonic circulations. Workshop on formulation of a drug policy for state health. Imphal Free Press. People voted for development, says Modi. Manipur listed amongst top 10 alcohol-dependent states, says study.
Before we wind up the news bulletin, the top stories once again. Center should spell out extension of Indo-Naga ceasefire, demands NEIDP. Small eating outlets at Khairamban Bazaar fear end of business. And voting not free and fair, says Oibobi. That's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more update. Thank you.